This is a quick video of how to download and install Transformer Lab onto your own computer. First, go to transformerlab.ai and scroll down to the Download Now button. I have a Mac Silicon computer, so I'm going to click on that link. And once the download comes down, I'll open the file and drag and drop the application to my Applications folder. Once that's there, I can click on the new application, and Transformer Lab will start up after I say open. Now the application is running, but it needs to talk to an API behind the scenes for it to operate. The installer here will help you install that API, step by step. First I'll click on this and it'll download the API to your computer, and it'll check that the version is up to date. Now I have to install Conda, which creates a separate Python environment just for Transformer Lab. Once Conda is installed, I'll create a Transformer Lab Conda environment. And then I'll install the Python dependencies. This is the step that takes the longest. Once the Python dependencies are installed, I'll start the server up. Success. Now we'll install some plugins to make sure that it works optimally on a Mac. And we can start using the server. As a first step, I'll select an experiment and I'll assign a foundation model. We don't have any foundation models downloaded yet, so let's go to the model store and pick one. Tiny Llama is a good one to start with. So let's click on download. After Tiny Llama is downloaded, I can run it by clicking on Select and Run. Now that the model is running, I can see a green circle here. I can click on the Interact button and begin talking. And there we go. We're now up and running with Transformer Lab.